This is a very quick demonstration on the Resync token. So how we have broken it down is that we are going to create a session, and then after that we are going to do a transaction. After doing a transaction, then we are going to go for uh, changing the time of the server to mimic that the time between the hardware token as well as the server is different. Then after that we are going to do another transaction which will fail because SOTP will not be in sync with the server timing. Then after that we are going to resync using the resync token API web service call. And then after that we will, after the resync, we will actually again do a transaction to show that the token is actually synced. So there are a few things that will happen. So let's quickly get started. So first thing first, let's create a new session. So this is my session ID. After this, I'm coming in and I'm gonna do a OTP generation. So for this example, I'm just taking let's say a random value of let's say 102938. Okay, so this is the challenge that I'm signing. So just give me a second. I'm gonna open my token and generate a signature OTP from there. 56. Okay, sorry, been wrong. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, OTP signature. Okay, so I am putting in 102938. Okay, so the signature OTP that is generated is 119272. So now I am going to submit it. It will be successful. Yeah, as you could see, it's successful. So that means that the OTP was verified successfully. Just to very quickly show you that if I try to do it again, it will not accept. It will give me an error because already being used or expired. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to change the server time, and we are we are going to change the server time, where I will change it. Let's say 20 or 30 minutes from now. Let's make it 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, 27. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, okay. So now I save it. Okay, so I will try to do generate another OTP or SOTP, and this time it should fail. Yeah, sorry, one second. Okay, this time let's take a different input. So 292929. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, signature 292929 4 times 29. Okay, fine. Okay, so the signature OTP is, oops, the time expired, sorry, give me a second. Okay, 292929. Okay, okay, 561342. Okay, so this time the output will be that the OTP cannot be verified. The signature OTP cannot be verified. Yeah. Sorry, I think the session is expired. My bad. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's just generate a new session. Okay, here's the new session. Copy. Replace. Sorry, one second. Did I copy it rightly? Yeah, I think there's a mistake I have done. There's extra equal to here. Okay, now I'm running it. So you would see is that OTP is invalid, which is correct because the OTP is out of sync. So now what we're going to do is we are going to sync the token. So let's use the same session ID, and over here, so my user ID is promote1234, the category is 2. So now I have to generate 2 OTPs from my token. Sorry, the UI is quite crude because we are using the SOAP UI testing tool. Otherwise, if it's from the web page, then it looks much more neater. But we want to show you that all the web services are working fine. So that's also our intention. Now, so I'm generating the first OTP, 336729. Okay. Now I'll generate the second OTP, 9058883. Okay, so this will sync my token. So as you could see the message which I've got it here, the token has been successfully synchronized. So that means it's done successful. Now I am going back and I'm going to submit this again. So when I submit this again, it should be successful. Yeah, so now you see that after resyncing the token, the signature OTP is successful. Yeah, and as you could see, the time of the server is 5:31, which is 20 or 20 odd minutes ahead of the actual hardware token. Yeah, so thank you so much, and yeah, that concludes that the resync functionality works fine for the hardware token or any other form of token. Yeah, thanks, bye.